How can you beat procrastination in language learning? Hi, I'm Dr. Alex. I'm a social psychologist and I use the laws of social psychology to make language learning easy and to have you speak with unshakable confidence. So, this is one of the biggest mistakes I see language learners do. It's actually you are setting the goal too big. So language learning is about everyday learning and simulating as much as you can immersion. And I'm going to give you now 3 steps how you can reach that. So step 1 is basically think about when is a good time in your daily routine, not in your monthly one, in your daily routine, where you can carve out, I don't know, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, even smaller, 1 minute, where you can practice what you consider a doable goal. And try to watch yourself over the next couple of days. What is something that really fits naturally in your daily schedule? It should not be like 5 minutes where you feel, it's not really something I want to do in that time. It must be when it's easy. So, for example, while waiting for the bus or while walking your dog, something where you can really commit to 5 minutes. And step 2 is to observe yourself in terms of how do you measure what feels right in terms of the size of your goal is when it starts to have that feeling to it that it's no huge effort. So watch yourself also in terms of when does it feel really easy and natural and flowy. That is the right size goal. So, for example, for me in my current endeavor, and please join me on my YouTube channel, I'm currently learning my 5th language, Italian. I carved out every morning 5 minutes to learn a phrase, a set phrase in Italian, and I post that on my YouTube channel. That feels easy and natural for me. And also, that's something where I can say, it doesn't feel like a huge effort. And now let's go to step 3. It's actually building the consistency to commit to that every day. So the consistency actually ensures that you will make just huge progress. And that is where the magic sets in, because while you might be feeling, on an everyday level, it's just that's the good part, because it kind of moves you out of the procrastination on the long run, and you will see the efforts you made immediately after maybe 3 months. You will realize how much you have learned already. So there you go. There you have it. This is how you can beat procrastination in language learning. So try that and follow me for more. Thank you for watching.